Yeah, oh, Nia Piloni, how's everyone doing on this lovely Wednesday? I'm so tired, guys. I'm from taking Motonine, and there's actually a special sale. There's actually a special. It's our Black Friday. A Motwin. A Motwin, on a special. You get a discount or a cashback. It's a special a Motwin. So when you just tell me which car you're looking for, and I'll be able to assist you. You sure it? That was sure it. Period. Uthathe pho chocolates. That's I love you.
Darling, it's on your PS. Follow be my babe.
Guys, I want to show as image. Come. I'm the cow here. I'm literally the cow. The Omoda is ranging around 6.5 plus minus 6,000 to 6.5 yearly or 7. So you just tell me which car you're looking for. Decline lan. Oh, I'm born Zena. Show it.
Mina.
Not addicting on chocolate my face. How was that pill? How gazing? I don't take chocolates now. And it's a metro about about minutes. This again. Where is Minnie? Minnie's in a showway prospecting. She'll be back today later. You'll see her tomorrow. Missing in the live, yabo. Hi guys, thank you for joining my live. Just tell me which car you're looking for, and I'm able to assist you with the specials that we have.
Oh, yeah. 389,995.45 cents.
45 cents one.
What was the price, please? Must have been the price. You go and pay, suppose.
I'm saying 999.
No, 389,465 francs 75 cents.
75 cents one.
Ima, you do my bag. How? Please.
I'll party.
You don't like cool it. Dice more to the mother phone, man.
Come, but I need to
What's the info?
installment wise, it's
7,000. No, 7,568.54 cents.
Sit us.
Impossible.
okay.
No. 7,565.45 cents.
But I'm serious.
7,565. Check chocolate. 7,565.
Tani wena 8 cause uzwadinga amagwinya.
Hi bo.
Kodwa ngeke uzowathole vele. Uzomletha 2K for
How? Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off.
Oh yeah, guys. Ninja, my favorite. Yes. I sell all brand cars. Yeah. 6.5 Omoda and China, the installment wise, and then Omoda is actually 359,900. Then installment is around 6.5 per month. Is obonakala ke nani nge profile yakho usinjani and your credit scoring. And yeah,
I pray.
girl, we are getting that little Malay. Hi, Bomanje Dizzy. Hi, Mbali. How are you? Thank you, boy Tumelo. Hi, S with the cross. Hello. Love your earrings. Thank you so much. Nico, Kawana Mukhezi, Mama, Johnny. Where are you guys located? halfway Angeni, down the station next to Mfolozi Casino. Boo 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 boo. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. So yeah, guys. Near pillow. Guys, in a special pill. I was advertising you as in special say you like in a special say you just go look at my latest post. La pago ku TikTok ubonish special saying you it's hamba boma 900s boma 500s la. So when shona khona uyilandele inywele zakho fethu phile futhi kuzoba ne-special sezimoto othi la u-installile uqedile noma ubuka imama bethu lokhu liyikhopozela sisilisho ukuthi bebhuti wabantu emotweni yakho yabo passenger princess type of vibe ukuthi uthenge inywele ngami ubuthenge imoto kimi yabo leyo nto le combo is combing ngiyakutshela nje cela ungithengele idatha ngithatha bukusami imali kodwa ngicela imali ngathi hey we don't have no money guys I don't have money shame you know we all mavele nje bengakholwa
hayi imali umuntu ucoka 50 rand nami ngiswela wona lo 50 rand
Hey, well, you sell cars? Yes, I do sell cars. I've been selling cars from, I don't know, ages now. So, when I'm unjani, ngiyaphila unjani mzwakhe. No, ngibone profile, but he's giving you being oh, why we being?
How?
Yeah, I was like, I don't have a problem, but if we need money, then we can talk.
No, this is incorrect.
So see, when I Chile, I mean, guys, ngidinga indoda yezwa. Ezoqala ithenga imoto kimi bese ke ngihlala nayo. Ne? Imoto guys iphuma guys, imoto. Yeah, driver short dear. Thank you. You said with 8.5 I can get a car. Yes, you can get a car with 8.5. If you're earning 8.5 minimum, you can't get a car. Or 7.5. Literally it starts from 7.5 upwards. So if uhola or 7.5, you can't get a car. But it also be models like Quid, Picanto, Great I-10, Atos, etc. And then all you need to be earning around 13k level. Then the minimum requirement. Okay guys, hello? Yebo. Ngiphila njani? Yes, ngempela. Ngizale? Bangikhuluma naye. Anginayo indoda mani. Anginayo, angazi ukuthi yiphi leyo ndoda yami edlala. Angazi khuluma ngani. Angimazi lowo muntu wayephi isilwane sakhe labs. Angimazi ubani lowo muntu. Hello? Guys, guys, I can gift you a BMW M3. Call it BMW Mr. Polo. Hello. Hello? 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 Guys, yeah. Yes. Hello, yes. Why am I supposed, guys? I had problems with my TikTok shame. However, we go up, but
So it wasn't a personal. So I don't want the word to know.
Oh.
Yes, you can come.
Is that your number there? No, your number.
Hello?
My lady 7-seater. A 7-seater is. Which one are you looking for? There are a lot of 7-seaters here. If you're looking for Irumyon, it's around 7.5. Etika is around 8, right?
Etika, like 6,000. The new Romeo
Rumyon is more expensive.
7.5.
Why? But there's nothing special about Rumyon.
Toyota, Isuzu, Reynolds.
Ikhona imali thumela ama details akho ngithumele yokudla awuphethe wakhuluma yabo wena yabo bethu khulumile bethu bafu uyawazi ukuthenga imoto ungenazi incwadi iziphi incwadi zompisi
Uyawazi ukuthenga imoto ungenayo-license.
Yes, uyawazi ukuthenga imoto ungenayo-license. Yes, if you have a nominated driver, which is umzali wakho or ingane yakho or ubhuti kababa wakho, yabo, or mhlawumbe ubhuti wakho omdala kakhulu, yabo, with the same surnames, umuntu onesibongo esifana nesakho, or umuntu oshadene naye, then you can get i-license. Do you have your own apartment? Yes. Uzona i-Black Friday special kuma-weave sengiqalile ukuba nayo i-Black Friday special uyinywele. Just look at my latest post laphana yama-prizes, but it's only for today only, and then I'll decide whether I'm going to have or not. How much is the Omoda? Omoda ilapho ko 6.5 per month. Sandy, it's around 6.5 maybe. Hi Sissy, I'm earning 10,000. I want a 7-seater. Okay, yes, you can get a 7-seater if you're earning 10,000.
How? Ngiyaqala.
Okay.
Dear Mr. Kzigalala.
Mr.
Turned off.
Mr. Cha. Manje ukushela wagcina nini? Ngade ngagcina ukushela guys. Angisayazi ukuthi into nje leyo. Manje senze njani maku debt review? We do not assist abantu abaku debt review, unfortunately. You have to try and clear igama lakho kuqala, and then uqale yeke kabusha. Uyakwazi ukuthenga eka 500k cash, but ningabuza ukuthi imali isuka kuphi. Isuka phi nokunye. Hayi mele sibuze phela ukuthi isuka phi. Leyo mali iyabuzwa guys ukuthi isuka phi. Yabo, we need to do check. Let's check. Do you have closures? Yes, I do have closures, my love. Please look at my latest post. A post the page there. Uzobona ama prices in closure around like 300 rand. But yeah, cash price, guys. Sabuzo to mali yabo ithatha. Hayi nibuzelani sibe singakoletani. Hayi must double check ukuthi is it not fraud, hijacking yini phela imali beyigebengu. So no, awusemuhle ngathi uyirama how. Ngiyabonga lokhaya. Which iPhone are you using? Sissy, your camera quality is so clean. Hey, there's no clean camera quality here. I'm using a 12. 12 shade, normal 12, not the Pro, whatever. But I wanna buy a new phone. Yes. Nanyalo solo ogulwa flu. I've been sick ever since, guys. I think it's becoming habits now. Is that your number that starts with 082 for car applications? Yes. It's not my number, it's the company's number. So if you're looking for a car, you need to contact 0820449688 for a car application. Imoto ziqala lapho 3.6 per month, and if you're earning 7.5 monthly, you can get a car. Then or if you have a credit score of 610, you can get Imoto, or abanye qualifier the credit score is 580. However, you just let me know which car you're looking for, and then
Where's sis?
siyacela ukubuza uma ungayena cela ukubuza if ungayena umZulu ngiyakhona yini ukujoyina lezi zinto zenza ama-camps ukusina. Yes, you can join. It's there's no limits kule nto leyo kusem. Cela ungithengele iToyota Reunion. How much ngithatha imali? Anginamali kusami, ngiyahluphekela bethu. Yabona nje ilace there. Ngiyahluphekela yabona shamu. But senza njani maku depth review? We cannot you cannot help, unfortunately. I did say mina ngiyayithenga imoto if i-combo and many
to your attention.
I take imoto if i-combo and you part of it. Ithenge imoto ke I'm gonna be part of it ke. Sanchez Villa. Yeah, very imoto iphuma nami. Short to grand, I'm good, Della. How are you? Mina ngicela inamba yakho hayi inhliziyo yakho mama. Yo hayi. Take imoto qala. Tell guys imoto. Oda mama ngicela inamba nyazi iqala ngo-O. Deliver. Yeah, I think my customer says delivery by lunch. I think 08. Yeah, I think it's 08 here. Today. Good job.
But you're not delivering. So you've got the live?
No, I'm still live. But I'm not sure it's delivery at FG. I think it's already at 5 July. Because I haven't done this. Like you inspire me, sir. OTD 108 ama-deals nje asathulwa manje but sihlanganisa bigs. Girl. Yes, athule but Kosabi, we appreciate. And if it's pushing a bit of deal lapse. Hello, the back. How? Okay. Any vlog via YouTube, please, or live updates. Hey, there's no live updates, guys. I'm gonna date Tuesday. Oh yeah, I have nothing interesting. And I'm dating you guys. Kunchan phela dalo. Darling, I also deliver lana. Deliver AP, which car or if you know it's hanger. Guys, OOTD. Ngingakahlangani. Yamazi. Ngitholi. Thanda. Thanda.
Hayi boss isimukhuleli charger please. Angole ntombazane.
It's alright. OOTD. Ngingakahlangani yalo. Thanda. Bisihlangene. Okay, guys, so just deliver.
Buy waist trainers.
Oh, life of you. No, but is a pen on OTD. There's one umega dungeon, oh, Mama, so never born.
That's all the thing. I can't get things. That's all the thing.
So what if my credit score is hello, it's 587 and I earn 10,000 rand. We can try, but yeah, we can try because minimum credit score usually is 580 here. So we can try. That's not a problem. So just send me your documents to 082044968. Let me just write it down. Shela phela sazamira todo. Shela phela. Ay ay ay. Some Shela phela sazamira. Delivery, guys. Oh no. Happy customer. Happy customer. For only 4.5 per month. You can get a car for only 4.5, an SUV. Woo! Yeah. Ho. This is to get by days. Aibo! Asa! Hey, no. Well, oh.
5, 4, 3, 2,
iPhone yan, kalas. Live. We are live. Yes. Christella. Jesus. This one no washed. This one no guys washed.
Born again.
Born again. What? Christian. Okay guys, sinibonele ukuthi imoto la ziyadayiseka. Nina ke kumele niziphele nizoyithenga. Sishoda nje ngani ukuthi nizothenga imoto. Otherwise konke ku right. Yabo, uvele wayihambela nayo ubaba imoto SUV which is a leather seats MG ZS luxury. You know, one of the seats has a reverse camera, has a sensor, a reverse sensor. You want 1.5 liter, 1.0 automatic SUV that you can get for only 5,500. Nice. Hiya. How? Hawu, nangephuma nayo. Hawu, awuzoyinyathela ke la. Ay. Ungasabi baba. Bye. Usapakile nje lapha. Nje just, yabo. Hey, for the just. Ne, ibonele ke now. Oh, yes. When I walk right here, man, you got to try. Kupuzwa itiye kuphela la. I'm gonna say, can you show me a range of 10 years old Lanumu, thola mungena umzimba oyitiye yiki.
Sebenza kanzima into ezalempumelelo abanomono bayekele focus on your dream, focus on your life, focus on changing the situation there at home for your family. Ngithi uNkulunkulu phela waziyo ngekusasala somunye othuya zuqamba ma ngoyena.
Buddies, thank you so much. Buddies. Guys, we're taking him out. So say, China village. I use a